And this is the Mutya at Ginoo ng Kalayaan 2025, starting with
representing CISK, Confederations in South Korea, Mutya ng CISK Michelle Tomas at Ginoo ng CISK Brent Bactian. Palakpakan po natin. Ayan.
Attention please for one more time. She tastes like cola, sweet, sweet sugar cola. When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night, and it's all because she can't stop getting by.
Mutya at Ginoo ng CISK.
we have the Ate-Ate Kapampangan community. Mutya ng Ate-Ate Vera Lee at Ginoo ng Ate-Ate Richard Villamet.
Presenting Association of Filipinos in Yangsan Sochang or AFIS, ang Mutya ng AFIS, Sheena Tamon, Ginoo ng AFIS, Renard Marcelo. Ayan po ang Mutya at Ginoo ng AFIS.
Next, we have Avengers Scorfield in Osan. Mutya ng Avengers Arlene Acobanda. And Ginoo ng Avengers Carl Vincent Molina. Wala ba? Avengers.
Next, representing Filipino community in Koje or FCG, ang Mutya ng FCG Ren Love, Ginoo ng FCG si Kai Malyari. Ayan po, Mutya at Ginoo ng FCG, Filipino community in Koje.
Next, we have the Filipino community in Yaksan, Philcoy. Mutya ng Philcoy, Selena Ortega. And Ginoo ng Philcoy, Mr. Michael Mendoza.
That's representing ang Filipino community, ang Philco. Mutya ng Philco, Madeline Dormido, at Ginoo ng Philco si Wami Jamil. Representing ang Philco.
Next we have the Korean Filipino Community KFC. Mutya ng KFC, Wilma Alabata Kim, and Ginoo ng KFC, Alex Sargera. Next we have the Pinoy Sabiria family, BSMF. Mutya ng BSMF, Kimberly Mendoza. Ginoo ng BSMF, Tron de la Cruz.
We would like to make a correction. Ang representative po ng CISK. Ang ginoo ng CISK is Jeremiah Baclar.
And we have the Toyo Filipino Community. Mutya ng TFC, Rosen Lee, and Ginoo ng TFC. May I request all the Ginoo to please come in front? Lahat po ng Ginoo, dito po tayo sa harap. Congratulations. Thank you so much po.
No one ugly allowed.
And now, to serenade our Mutya at Ginoong Kalayaan 2020. Ayan na.
Ayan na.
We
Welcome
need po
po.
drum rolls. We need po drum rolls. All you. Okay. Simulan po natin sa second runner-up.
Yes, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat at sa ating nagkagandahang Mutya at Ginoo. Yes, are you ready? Handa na ba kayo? Yes. Para sa ating second runner-up at ang ating Mutya at Ginoo ng Kaunlaran, they'll get sashes plus 100,000 won. Ay ang Mutya at Ginoo ng Korean Filipino Community or KFC. They're from Daegu.
Congratulations! KFC Mutya at Ginoo ng Diego. Congratulations to give the sashes an award. We have Miss Tess Banangan and Sir Conjen and Mr. President Troy Pinion. Okay. Wala po bang music tayo dyan?
Tinatawagan po natin ang ating President DJ.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Ayun. Matadan, congratulations. Mutya ng congratulations. Now,
Congratulations to Korean Filipino Community, KFC. Galing pa yan sila sa Daegu.
wow. Okay, next is the Mutya. Ang ating first runner-up sa pararangalan bilang Mutya at Ginoo ng Pagkakaisa. Let's give it up for Miss Lay.
Yes, here we go. Our first runner-up, ang Mutya at Ginoo ng Pagkakaisa. They'll get sashes plus 200,000 won. Ay ang Mutya at Ginoo ng Pinoy sa Miriam family. Miriam people.
Miriam people to give the award, Sir Danny, Ma'am Annette, and Mr. President, DJ Pinion. Congratulations! Congratulations!
Ayan po.
Ayan, congratulations!
Sa ating first runner-up,
Okay.
siya at Ginoo ng Pagkakaisa. Yes. At syempre, ang pinaka-inaabangan nating lahat, ang uwian. Sorry. Ang tatanghaling grand winners, ang ating Mutya at Ginoo ng Kalayaan 2025.
Mutya at Ginoo ng Kalayaan 2025. Congratulations to
Yes, ang ating Mutya at Ginoo ng Kalayaan ay sila din ang ating Mutya at Ginoo ng FCC 2025. They'll get a sash plus 300,000 won. At ang Mutya at Ginoo ng Kalayaan ay Association of Filipinos in Martial Socha. Ginalingan talaga nila.
Wow! Afis! Congratulations! I-turn over na po ang crown ng ating Rain Queen.
Maraming salamat, Ma'am Lay, sa pag-assist.
To give the award, we have Miss Lalay, Sir Danny, and Sir PJ Pigion. And to crown our Mutya ng Kalayaan, we have the Rain Queen, Kim Hyun-mi. Congratulations, Mutya ng Kalayaan. Mr. Leonard Marcelo and Christina. Come on. Congratulations. Ayun, pabalik na yung corona. Congratulations, Mr. Leonard Marcelo and Sheena Tamo. Okay.
Palakpakan po natin ang ating bagong Mutya at Ginoo ng Kalayaan 2025.
Congratulations. Okay, palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga bagong Mutya at Ginoo ng Kalayaan 2025. Congratulations to all the winners and of course to all the participating community.